Hey, what's up, Chiliz Holder? So this is an emergency update for all of you, my brother, and absolutely I predicate this coin. I do a technical analysis, and after that, my friend, I also share my opinion in this video. So kindly hold it. If you can see here, Chiliz, one of the good coin this time in the crypto market during the last 7 days, my friend. And the previous day, this coin is moving up for now. So it's a great news. 9.01% the price is increased now, and you can see here last 24 hour 11.65% just increase now. But the last 1 hour, you can see here the chain occur will be negative. But don't see this short fails. Absolutely, I hope after this fails they also take a very huge jump now. So this time you can say the Chiliz price is 0.3 USD dollars. So it's a very huge price now, my brother. You know why I tell you to hold it, my brother? Because the price is very fastly increasing now. If you hold, then absolutely they will make you millionaire, my friend. Especially in previous day, in the start of this week, they take a very huge jump. So I'm so happy, my friend, and absolutely I am also holder of Chiliz. So therefore I'm really excited, my friends, to this coin is starting moving upward now. You can say, my brother, they fails down after this big jump, but absolutely the direction is absolutely going to be very badly fails down. But you can see they cannot hit the resistance line. So it's mean to this coin is also in the profit now, and they my friend, the holder, absolutely, my friend, be happy from that. So let's see, my brother, the big alerts. Towards the big alerts is here is not available, my friends. Big alerts, kindly holders, please remember to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time Chiliz is going the moon now, and they will make you millionaire now. So please, for a more this type of informative video, please just and only subscribe this channel and like this video.